If you're trying to rewatch a video someone sent you on Instagram DM, here's what you need to know. The ability to rewatch depends entirely on how the sender set up the video. Let's break it down. First, there's the View Once option. If a video is sent this way, you only get one chance to watch it. Once you press play, it's gone forever. Unfortunately, there's no workaround for this. No replays, no saving. It's like catching a shooting star. Blink, and you miss it. Next, we have the Allow Replay setting. This one gives you a little more flexibility, letting you replay the video one more time. But don't think you can do this on the sly. Instagram will notify the sender that you replayed their video. So, while you can watch it again, just know they'll be in the loop. The most relaxed option is Keep in Chat. Videos sent with this setting stick around in the conversation thread, just like any other message. You can rewatch them as many times as you'd like, as long as the sender doesn't unsend the message or you don't delete the chat. Now, let's address why Instagram sometimes makes rewatching so restricted. It all comes down to privacy. Instagram's approach to disappearing videos and limited replays is meant to give users more control over their content. By restricting replays, the platform ensures people feel safer sharing private or personal moments in DMs. For those looking for even more privacy, Vanish Mode is an option worth exploring. It allows you to send messages, photos, or videos that disappear once the chat ends. It's like a private conversation that leaves no digital footprints. So, next time, keep an eye on those settings before hitting play. For more information, make sure you check out our blog on the topic. The link will be in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward Instagram tips. See you in the next one.